Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech It Easy. Today we will discuss on CO utilization in a blast furnace. What is CO utilization? CO utilization tells us how much of the CO entering the furnace actually participates in reducing iron ore instead of simply going out unreacted. It is defined as percentage CO utilization is equals to CO2 divided by CO plus CO2 in 200. This ratio comes from the top gas composition. CO2 comes from successful reduction reactions. Unreacted CO indicates wasted reducing agent. Why is CO so important in a blast furnace? CO is the primary reducing gas for iron oxide. Reduction reactions. These are the typical steps in the indirect reduction zone. Hematite to magnetite. Magnetite to wüstite. Wüstite to iron. Each step converts CO to CO2. Where does CO come from? CO is generated in the raceway when coke reacts with oxygen. C plus O2 is equals to CO2 plus He. CO2 plus C is equals to 2CO. This CO-rich gas rises through the furnace and reduces iron ore. What reduces CO utilization? Poor burden distribution, gas bypassing. Excess coke, too much CO generation. Low ore reducibility. High moisture or hydrogen in the system, H2 competes with CO. Poor permeability of burden. How to improve CO utilization? Better burden distribution. Improves gas-solids contact. Use of pellets sinter with high reducibility. Optimizing coke rate. Increasing hydrogen to share reduction low. Modern furnaces inject natural gas. Maintaining good furnace permeability. Higher CO utilization means lower fuel rate. Better furnace efficiency. Lower CO emissions. Thank you for watching our videos. In case of any doubts, please text. We will try to help you understand.